channel, and today we're gonna make cinnamon sugar donuts. We'll need 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and 1 cup of milk. First, we're going to get 1 cup of flour. Then we're going to get 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we're going to need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. And let's mix it all up. Okay, let's move on to the wet ingredients. We will need 1 cup of milk, pour it all in, and let's give it a good mix. If your dough is too wet, you can add a little bit more flour. I added 4 more teaspoons of flour, and it looks like this. Now we're ready to put it in the piping bag. In the bag, and let's give it to your adults. While we wait, let's make the cinnamon sugar. It's very easy to make. First, we will need some sugar and cinnamon. We will need 1 cup of sugar in here and a few teaspoons of cinnamon. If you want a more cinnamon taste, you can add a bit more cinnamon. This is for the coating for the donuts. This part is for the adult to do. The donuts are ready and they smell so good. Now let's cook them with the sugar. You're done. Let's do a taste test. They're nice and fresh and soft and hot.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a taste test to see if these cinnamon donuts are tasty. Let's try. That tastes really good.